Today is 27th of March 2026 and I have a 2+1 credits examination of food science and technology, and soon we'll go and have some study for that subject and we'll write the paper. Examination time, actually it feels like the most fruitful time, so let us move ahead and let the nature do its work. Nature is beautifully doing its work. Meanwhile, the springtime is here. Most of them are flowering, and here we are at the nursery. Lush green leaves for each of the plant. The reason that we are propagating these flowers particularly is they are very low maintenance plants and they could be easily grown with the help of seeds again and again. So once planted, we don't have to bring saplings from the high cost nurseries again and again, so we can just recreate it at our own place. So that is the reason we have been planting, and that is really a fruitful, rewarding and really a beautiful work to watch them grow from seeds. And I was also planning to buy some tubers of various varieties of lotuses. Actually, I tried buying it online, but the stock of lotus tubers was not available. And at some point of time, I found a company or organic store that was providing it the tubers of lotus plants, but still the cost of that lotus tubers was like little unsatisfactory, so that we could easily grow it. As we have to expand this legacy of growing plants more and more lush green flowers, beautiful flowers. As you can see, the whole area is filled with different kinds of species of birds, insects, as well as flowers and plants also. So on my back side, this one you can see, these are the monstera plants that have beautifully climbed the same money plant that we uh, grow beautifully in our homes and pots. Actually, they act as parasite on these neem trees, these two tall, very huge neem trees, and they have beautifully climbed the neem trees, and the leaf size has also considerably increased, right, as you can see. So it creates a tropical forest vibe here at conditions of temperature 45 degrees Celsius, where extreme heat, extreme cold, extreme rainy season is experienced. Uh, Still, the nature always finds its way. The most important factor I found is regular watering will definitely help to sustain the garden in a most beautiful way. So Vrukshayurved and all these texts that speak of, actually speak of gardens as a place where the deities, the celestial, the divine creatures find shelter at places, and any for the recreation of the public, the garden that is created will always serve the benefit to the owner and the planter of each plants. So there is a special chapter devoted to the trees, which says about Taru Mahima, the glory of trees, why trees should be planted. Look at this green cover that is above my head. There is no other structure in the world that could replace this living creatures, that is the trees. The cool the the coolness that we get under this shed is never experienced under the shade of plastic tin sheets or whatever structures that we are erecting. So it is always very painful to see that trees being cut away. Instead, there is a way we can just transplant it somewhere so that they would still grow beautifully. And of course, they are living creatures, and the term that I call for them is the gods of earth, gods on earth, only gods that are present on earth. Whole life they are constantly on the service of others only, without thinking about getting the benefits from it. So we never saw a tree eating its own fruit, or a tree just uh, smelling its own flower for the beauty. It's all for the public. So behind me we have this canna lily seeds. So this is the red variety, so we have brought the orange variety seeds. Similarly, here you can see this white flowers of what is it, chandni we call it in Marathi and all, or chandi pat as you say. And then these are the purple vine that we are seeing. There are so many things. Similarly, the sandpaper vine that is literally trending nowadays on Instagram reels, which covers the whole area and blooms beautifully with purple flowers. Actually, that is also present here, and the Rangoon creeper as well. So we'll get with more such updates. Till then, bye. See you. Like, share, and subscribe, of course.